buy one transmitter, like this one mic, this transmitter here, it's basically better if you can buy them and just keep everything together. So we can go now and open and see how it looks like inside. We have one microphones. We can do is just put the receiver right there. Gonna open this. It comes in with charger. I don't need this. And also comes in with two windshield, black and gray. And inside the box, we got the receiver here, sort of the transmitter. And also we have magnet. What we're gonna do is basically take out the magnet. I'm gonna need these two magnet just in case, but I will just take one. Let me just take both so we can see how it looks. The magnet are very strong. This is how it looks. You can see how it's basically trying to pull each other. What we're gonna do is first is to go and put the windshield on. Always guys. The windshield makes a big difference. So we just can go and put the windshield on. And this is how it looks. Allow me to open this. And also we can return. I'm gonna have to return also the charger. I don't really need that charger since we already have the portable charger here. That is gonna help me out charge these things. It really charges fast, so we don't really need another charger. Just it's too much. It's too many stuff. Too many stuff is going on. Can go on and connect the magnet, put the magnet on, and we can connect that on. And also take this, connect it to the magnet so we know which one is what.